Now its uses. For a start, it can be worn as a straightforward neck scarf and it stops any colds, winds, chills, drafts or anything going in or around your neck. If you're outside it's cold, dirty or dusty, it can be worn as a face mask and it stops anything going in or around the face. Underneath the helmet or in the BMW convertible there's always the driving Miss Daisy look. However, it will cover the back, the front, the whole of the head. Because there are no seams, you won't end up with any pressure points, so you don't get headaches or stitch marks around here. Freezing cold, simply gather it up, goggles on over the top and it completely insulates the whole of the head and the neck. If you wish to keep the sun off your head or your hair out your face, pull a buff up and wear it like so, and it'll stop perspiration from running down the front, down the back, and stop the back of your neck from getting sunburn. Going running in the mornings, it can always be worn as a headband. For the ladies doing their makeup, as an Alice band. With long hair, you can tie your hair up and wear it as a scrunchie on top of your head. Or if you're more into bandanas and beanies, you simply turn a buff inside out, place your arms through the middle, and pull from one side to the other, making a bandana. Once placed onto the head, you grab hold of the back, pull it up and it will adjust to fit whichever size head you need. Or if you're more into beanies and skull caps, turn a buff inside out. Again, place your arms in the middle, lightly twist, fold over the top, pull back down, open out, and you have a beanie or a skull cap. Thank you very much.